Welcome to our channel. Winter is the perfect time to transform small spaces in your home into cozy and inviting corners. With thoughtful styling, even the tiniest areas can become your favorite spot to relax and enjoy the season. Today, we'll share some creative decor ideas to help you bring warmth and charm to every corner of your home. Let's get started. Layered rugs. Use 2 rugs in different textures or patterns to create a warm and visually interesting floor space in your small corner. Compact accent chairs. Opt for a small, comfortable armchair with a neutral or warm tone throw blanket draped over it. Oversized lanterns. Place a couple of oversized lanterns with LED candles in a corner to create a soft, warm glow. Wall-mounted shelves. Add floating shelves to display winter-themed decor like mini wreaths, candles, or small books. Faux fur throws. Drape a faux fur throw over a bench or stool to add texture and warmth. Seasonal pillows. Use pillows with winter-inspired designs or neutral tones to style small seating areas. Corner bookshelf decor. Decorate a slim corner bookshelf with greenery, fairy lights, and winter knickknacks. Mini coffee table setup. Place a compact coffee table with a tray holding the candle, a small vase of pine branches, and a cozy mug. Window seat styling. If you have a small window seat, add thick cushions and a stack of books for a cozy nook. Natural elements basket. Use a woven basket filled with pine cones, birch logs, and greenery as a decorative accent. Warm lighting string. Hang soft white string lights along a wall or around a mirror in the corner. Vintage trunk storage. A small vintage trunk can serve as a table and storage for throws and pillows. Winter-themed artwork. Add framed prints or paintings of snowy landscapes or winter florals. Hanging planters. Style your corner with hanging planters filled with winter greenery or eucalyptus. table lamp. Choose a lamp with a warm toned shade and a seasonal base, like wood or ceramic. Textured wall hanging. Add a macrame or fabric wall hanging in soft, warm tones to bring a cozy touch. Fireplace-inspired corner. Use an electric or fall fireplace heater in your corner for added warmth and ambience. Ceramic accent pieces. Place small ceramic figurines or vases with winter themes, like snowy trees or stars. Minimalist corner gallery. Create a small gallery wall with black and white photos or simple winter sketches. Cushions. Lay down a few plush floor cushions and a low tray table for a casual winter seating area. Thank you for watching. We hope these ideas inspire you to make every corner of your home feel warm and inviting this winter. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more seasonal decor tips. And let us know your favorite idea in the comments below. See you in the next video.